Is the first thing you do every morning reaching for your phone? You tried to sleep early last night, but you found yourself scrolling through TikTok or Reels until 2 a.m. You have a mountain of work waiting for you, but putting down that phone feels like the hardest task in the world. Listen closely. You aren't lazy, and your willpower isn't broken. Your brain is simply stuck in a trap. Today, we are going to explore how the legendary 16th century samurai Miyamoto Musashi and modern neuroscience can help you reclaim your focus and your life.
Scientifically, this is called dopamine overload. Every time you scroll, every time you play a game, your brain releases a flood of dopamine, the pleasure chemical. But here's the problem. The more you chase these cheap rewards, the higher your tolerance becomes. What used to satisfy you in 15 minutes now takes an hour. The result? Doing the hard things like reading, exercising, or focusing on your career starts to feel incredibly boring. Your brain has been rewired to crave the easy path. Miyamoto Musashi once wrote in The Way of the Lone Wolf, "Do not seek pleasure for its own sake." He understood that true strength comes from the ability to sacrifice temporary comfort for long-term mastery. If you let your desires use you, you will never be the master of your own destiny.
So, where do we start? The solution is simpler than you think. Embrace the boredom. Try sitting for just 15 minutes a day, without your phone, without music, without distractions. Just sit. Let your brain rest. In that silence, your creativity and your drive will begin to wake up. Remember, discipline isn't built in a day. Every time you say no to a cheap distraction, you are winning a battle for your future. Are you ready to spend your first hour tomorrow without your phone? Tell me your plan in the comments. Let's rebuild your focus together.